Hi guys and welcome back. Let's create a speech bubble in Gimp, a program that you can use to design. So let's say if you want to drag this picture of a cat here and then click on convert, and then once you're done, hold Control Shift N to create a new layer, make it speech, and then click on OK, and then let's hold the left click button, head over to ellipse select, and then let's create the circular area of the speech bubble, just like so. And then zoom in, because we're going to make the tail of the speech bubble by clicking on free select tool, hold the shift key, and then make the tail carefully. Close the curve, and then go to select. Click on to path, just like this. And then color it white. Click on the bucket fill tool. Make sure that the fill color is white, and then color this one. You're done. And then edit, stroke selection, and then make sure that the color of the stroke is black. For the width, 11 would do. Stroke. It's still white though. Hold on. Let's see if I can make it black. Edit, and then stroke selection, 11 pixels. There you go. And then we're going to add a text. Click on text tool, and then you want to type like for example, human, the nickname from a cat to their owners, or maybe just meow. Just like so. You can even change the font type by clicking on this one and the font size to this. Select the text first. Make it larger, or you can simply make it larger by But we're going to actually do some tweaks with the size. Actually, select the text, and then let's say if we change the size of the text to 150. Hold on. And then place the text here, for example. There you go, you're done. That's how you can make a speech bubble in Gimp. So guys, thank you for watching. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for me. It's good day, ciao!